This thing that content, in case you see me mad, is AI. Do you understand? Now, so you not come and mad. What blessing does is content. That should see that any matter should come and put her opinion. Who will keep your opinion for you to yourself, who asks you. You are commenting on put your opinion, she's making money. She is growing. So if you can talk, even that talk which they talk go easy. It's not talk. There's this lady in Abuja that cover red clothes, Mama P or something. What Mama P does is content. Any matter that is of national interest, she put her input. I was watching her before, but these days, I was not send her message, which she that music. She used to put music in the beginning, now I'll be like, what kind of music? You kind of trouble. I'm not going to be looking for the music, because the music is always sweet. I will not leave the message, I'm looking for music. So, Mama P own, but if you do something like Mama P, be ready to go to prison. They will carry you go to police station. Yes. So, Mama P now, what she does is what President CEO is doing. But she know they talk about man and woman, that will concern her. She is anything of interest to Nigerians, any political thing, she says it. And there's also a need where people analyze political matter. But if you're analyzing political matter, they can arrest you. No, that means they used to arrest people. So, but you have views because you are not, and politics wants to start 2027. So if you have mind, enter. They say if you get body, if you get mind, good body. But, and they will arrest you, but if they arrest you, you don't know. For Nigeria, they arrest you, you don't know. Do you understand? That niche now, you talk about politics, everything about you do, Natasha, this one, you are talking, you are not. If you can analyze, just a talk. But if you are not lying, continue. And there's a niche that they like. Una no know. Hey, wait. There's a niche that people will sit down. Even when you are hearing it, you know it's lying. But you'll be like, what is life sweet? There is a niche that somebody will assume what will happen in the future. Like this Regina Daniels thing now. Some people were assuming that last 2 weeks, somebody did a video that Regina have relocated to London. Regina have not relocated to London. The person just used her number 1 and 2 calculate, say, since Regina probably have been London, Regina have been London. The guy did the video and people were watching. Regina was in Nigeria then. But she don't assume, say, see waiting go happen. She did it. For me, that is a lie. But some people will be like, it's content. Yes, it's content. For me, all I will say, if you're doing content, be careful. You see some people come on social media and like their full chests. I was there. You are not there. Do you understand? But in all, it depends on what you want to do at the end of the day. Do you want to do something that you're truthful to yourself? At the end of the day, somebody will still call you to come and stand here and talk. Do you understand? Or you just want to lie? It depends. No, and then people want fast money. They don't mind ma lie. Ma just lie, ma just do. But it depends. I said it depends on what you want. Some of you or some of us, we have kids, and you don't want your kids to grow up to come and see one. Some of you have me, my mother there alive, my father there alive, my elder sister, my brother, my husband, my in-laws. I don't even do with you. You don't get like 7 missed calls. Go and bring that thing down. That's why I say if you want to do some things, remove family, throw away your family value. Then there is still a niche that you fake it till you make it. Yes. You go and find one apartment and pay for it. I just got the house. This is my new house. How you carry my consign? Then you pay for a day. But as you are going, make sure you go like 50 clothes. Then carry one cameraman, carry your brother, your sister, anybody will you want carry. Then see that house, say this is my house. Even the house will not say person come. You do 50 videos from no sleep because you paid like 100,000 in that apartment. You now do like 50 videos. They'll show you cooking because if it is your house, people want to see you cook. Yeah. People want to see you. You tell your friends will come. Your friends will come. Oh, we came to celebrate the house. We celebrate which house? You people will cook there. You will sleep. You will wake up. You will sleep like 20 times and wake up. You wear different nightgown. Now you've gotten that many 50 contents. You know, some people don't sleep till 5 a.m. As they are awake like me, now they will not sleep. You won't pay apartment to go sleep. My sister, you will do content. They will do wear different clothes. That 50 content now will do them for 2-3 months. You will not gather another 100,000 and go and pay for apartment. People will be watching. See this young girl. It's not a fake content. It's not me. I'm not saying she's lying. We call it fake it till you make it. And before you know, one big man will say, this girl, she's doing so well. Or that content says she's making special money to go and buy the apartment. Then some now, they do this very local village content. Like, they are staying in one room. We know say they use stove. Even you know say they use stove. They will go and get a stove. Then they will not, the house have kitchen though, she have kitchen inside though. She will not use kitchen, she will not come outside. They'll go and collect mama in kitchen, that firewood, what they call charcoal. And you see them cooking local things, cooking, that is a need. The person will be doing that local thing, before you know people will be contributing money, she will throw her child, wearing dirty clothes. That's why I said, do it. If you can do it, it's also a content, it's a need. But whatever you're doing, be consistent. You cannot do this one today, tomorrow, and once you say you go stay for the place. Next tomorrow, you don't go. No. That thing you're doing, be consistent. Later, you now see that the person will now say, I've rented a new house. The person will now move to a new house. You know why I like Nigerian followers? They will follow you to the new house. Before you know, 3 years, they will still be following you. 4 years. That's because the person did not rest. But in all these things you're doing, make sure the audience don't catch you. Make sure you know you sabi lie, because if you leak, your audience will leave you. Who remember Aisha Odo? No, Aisha Odo. Ha! They trended last year. Check it, Aisha Odo. One lady, like lady back her hair. She and her husband will be fighting, quarreling. The mother-in-law came, the fourth mother-in-law fought. I was like, my niece believed it. She said, "What is real?" I cried. I said, "This thing now gone there." She even, at the point, she bobbed her head. She was doing Jackie Chan with her husband. People didn't want that thing. But at the end of the day, people caught the life somewhere. I don't know how people. I don't know if you understand. It got to a point. People now know it was a lie. Then before we go, just like people not going to watch it. So if you want to lie, that's why I say write like 50 scripts, or 40, or 20. That just 50 is too much. Write like 10. So before you exhaust the 10, you don't write another 10. It's content. It's your niche. You know you can do content, how to get 1,000 naira week. There's 1,000 naira week in the market, seriously. There is. If you go to those guys where they sell wig for grand. No, I never seen wig before. I saw one straight, the guy said 3,000. Oh, it's like he's not my order. I filmed it. I went to shop my sister. My sister said, I should just say, go the week, go the back, go the front. You can just, anything. Some people, their own content is to go to market and film market. But whatever content you film, do something that you know that in the next 6 months, you will not run out of content. And don't do something that you post today till tomorrow. Internet is not they wait for you. They are moving to the next person. And there's a content there, their own is news. You just come to that channel, they are giving you news, what is happening. By the end of the day, who want to do skits here? Nobody. Skits. You want to do skits, you do skits. But you can do it, but that's not what you want to do.
I can do it sometimes.
In skits, you know they stop.
I have someone that do it.
In skits, you want to do skits, you have to be consistent. It's draining, but it's consistent. So anything you want to do, there is no stopping. There is no stopping. You will see somebody like Pella, I've been a Pella. And that they insult them. Today, I'm very sure it's another live stream. When I go talk by you. As Pella, they do live stream for TikTok. In the night, they YouTube. They do another 3 hours. Sit down. Sometimes, you know this talk is good. Do you know that talk? He said those things on books.
Yeah, sure.
When I say that boy don't get sense.
Yeah.
He must imagine you going to UK and they bring a big, that lady they brought for him to interview in UK. The lady's actually big. And the first person is asking the lady, have you removed belly before? Why is your tongue big? And they tell, are you only watching? It was trending 2 days ago. And the lady just walked out on him. Do you understand? He said that thing to trend and he was trending. So what he does is that he think of something malicious to say. And some of people be like, hey, why is Jarvis still with him? Why Jarvis? You don't tell Jarvis say today we need to trend. We don't take what trend. I need to talk more rubbish. You know reply. Jarvis is very intelligent. And she will reply. And some of you are here saying, why are they dating? Jarvis does not have family members that love her. Hey, wait. Family members love her past you. The family member already know, but una don't worry yourself. You go shock una say tomorrow, those people go come say they never dated. Una go shock say is social media dating. They just need each other to push each other on. So on this social media space, know what works for you. And at times you cannot do it alone. At times you cannot do it alone. I must say, okay, Benedict, you stay in Kefi, I mean. Then Benedict must say, Mama, I need your help. So Benedict, okay, me and him will discuss whatever we want to do. We'll now pick a Monday. That Monday, Benedict will come. Me and him will do all the things we need to do on that Monday. That Monday now, Benedict is ready to do a content that will last him for 1 month till the next Monday, till the next December, when me and him will see again. That's why I say content is not for this. MC Bakara is putting content every day. MC Macaroni is putting content every day. MC Macaroni was doing more of it. If you notice, MC Macaroni have now moved to Netflix. He have moved to mainstream. But he started as a content creator because he was consistent. He wasn't just there. Yes. It's not enough for you to know camera. Do you know how to, you have to learn how to edit. Learn how to edit. As a content creator, you have to learn how to do editing. You have to know your scripting. You have to know how to handle your camera. You have to know how to edit. You have to know how to do everything. Do you understand? Because let's assume I tell you to shoot, and my mind tell you say they shoot me rubbish. Your mind will tell you, and you go and check if it's shooting you rubbish, so you can tell you, oh, this is how to do it. But if you don't know how the camera is done, how will you be able to tell you this is how it's done? So you have to learn it, and everything is on social. Either you meet somebody one-on-one to teach you, or give yourself 2 days, maximum. Tell yourself, see that WhatsApp chat, I know they go. You see TikTok, I know they go. Anything that is not paying me money, you see Facebook, I mean they comment for everybody channel. Tell yourself, I want to use 2 days and then edit it. Learn it. I want to use 2 days and then scripting. Learn it. And to copy is allowed. He did something. He showed me how to sew this clothes and film it. I mean, I went and I bought material. And I also sew it. I'm copying him, but I did not use his content. It's my own original content. But I saw what he did and I liked it. And I carried my camera and I video it and I copy it. Sorry. Like for him now, that's sews. Imagine there's nobody to video you. I know you're cutting. You cannot show us 10 hours of you cutting. You have to cut.
Great, yes.
Let me see. Okay, this is like this tripod now that my husband have. You are sewing. So this is your table now, and you are using to sew. So your camera have to be this way because you are sewing like this, and you are the only one in your house. There's no need for you to go and bring somebody to be holding camera. With this, your camera set like this. Your clothes is here. You'll be able to cut, or you do everything. That's because you know camera. But if you don't know camera, you have to wait for any day Benedict come. And Benedict did Calabar. No, Calabar can't even shape me. You go wait until Benedict come, that cross river, but after he come, he won't set camera for you. So imagine you get this kind of tripod.
Yeah.
And this tripod is bent like this. You are videoing yourself. You're videoing yourself. So you don't need anybody to come and do anything for you. So let me take this thing back. So you have to learn a little bit of everything. And all these are achievable through your phone. Now phone, no.
You need to have a good phone.
If you don't get, see the fact is some of you are waiting for good phone. Start with the phone. You see when somebody posts something, they will come and say it's POS. Now POS you snap it. But the person posts about it. Start with your phone so that when you get the good phone, you have mastered it with this your nonsense Android or this your nonsense phone. But start with that phone you have. See, some of these people that are grown now, go and watch their content 3-4 years ago. You'll be like, now who be this? But just start. Start now. So is there any question? Because I'm about to download. Question.